makes no sense, bro, that you all of a sudden, you just wake up one day and be like, we a part of it now. They could take part of the promises. They could come in. They could just walk in. What gate are they walking in? How are they getting in, bro? It makes no sense. This for a predestinated people, man. You know what I'm saying? That has already been predestined. That the promises go to Israel, man. Right. Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob. If you're not coming out of those loins, bro, you're not partaking in the promises. It's just point blank and simple. It ain't that hard to understand.
All right, this is the book of Romans, chapter 6, verse 6. Not as though the word of the Most High have taken none effect, for they are not all Israel, which are of Israel.
So that's going into how you had these Herod, you know what I'm saying, people like that, claiming that they was Israel, man. But they're not Israel. So if the church was a multi-ethnic, you know what I'm saying, collaboration, then how come Paul is saying that it's not? That's basically what he's saying right there. They're not all of Israel that are of Israel, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just because they're claiming that they're Israel, man, they live in the land or whatever, claiming that they're Israelites, claiming the ascendancy, doesn't make them that, bro. You know what I'm saying? They're not gonna get these promises, man. They're not gonna get the covenants. They're not gonna get the salvation, man. They're not getting the kingdom. No matter how hard our people want to fight for them, no matter how hard our people want to hold on to them and say, oh, this one was a good one. If that's the case, then have fun with him in the damn kingdom when he's in slavery.
That's right.
He'll be a good slave. She'll be a good slave. Do you like watching football with him? Okay, that's fine. Yeah. You can watch a game with them. Just make sure that in the kingdom, they know their place, man. Just make sure you watch the game with them, have fun with them. If they act up, slap them. You know what I'm saying? You can still, if you like watching the games, you know what I'm saying, doing things, little white people, whatever, who cares, man? Do it, bro. Just make sure they know their damn place. It ain't that hard, man. They'll be there. I don't know why people can't get over it. They just can't see a kingdom of heaven without Edomites. It's really not another nation. It's not the Asians. It's not the East Indians. You know what I'm saying? It's nobody but the white people. Nobody but them. Not bullshit. No, I can't see it. Man, you gotta be out your mouth. Alright? And with that, I want to say shalom and death to America, man.
Death to America.